Model, 69 plate Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 350 curtain cider LUTON box van tailgate 4 meters bargain body, white, panel van mileage, 55,055 MOT, the 29th of February 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Mechanically spot on. Condition summary: chassis is cracked near the bulkhead and will need repairing, not a very hard job for someone who knows what they are doing. These are retailing £25,000 plus. Bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. Features: 1 former keeper, part-time service history, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys, aircon EU status, Euro 6 HP.